good? It's your girl Nai, and today we are doing a berry scented shower routine, perfect for the summer. So let's get into it. I'm using the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser. This one is the cream cleanser, and it is very hydrating. I really like using this one. It looks like I'm not putting anything on my face. But trust me when I say that it is cleansing my skin, and it is perfect for dry skin. So after washing my face, I'm just going to rinse that off, and then it's time to cleanse the body. So I'm going in with my Dr. Bronner's Baby Unscented Castile Soap. And this soap is just going to give me a nice good cleanse. And I like that it's unscented, so that way it won't take away from the products that I will be using in today's video. And I'm just using the soap with my African bath sponge, which is freaking bomb. It's the best thing ever, like ever. And yeah, just go ahead and make sure I get every inch of my body, clean behind my ears, definitely clean up underneath my armpits and all that good stuff. If you made it this far into the video, and if you're new here, I would love for you to be a part of the family. So if you could do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, also hit that bell so you can be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. Now my body is all nice and clean, I'm going to go in with this Tree Hut sugar scrub in the scent Cotton Candy. And look how beautiful this scrub is. Like, oh my goodness, it looks like it has shimmer in it, but it smells so freaking good. Sorry to burst your bubble if you have not smelled this scrub just as yet, but it smells nothing like cotton candy. It actually smells just like strawberries, and it is just perfect for this video. So yeah, they should have just named this scrub strawberry, not cotton candy. But yeah, anyways, love Tree Hut scrubs. I'm always going to use Tree Hut scrubs because they never miss a beat. My skin feels so good after I rinse the scrub off, and it's just a nice exfoliation, and my skin be feeling so smooth, and the scent lasts a long time on your skin after you rinse it off. So yeah, highly recommend Tree Hut scrubs. So now I'm going in with this Olay body wash in the scent white strawberries and mint, and oh my gosh, y'all, this freaking body wash smells so freaking good. It smells just like strawberries, and the mint scent is like very faint, so you don't have to worry about that overpowering strong scent of mint. But the smell of this body wash, I don't know, like it kind of smells like I've smelled it before, maybe in like a candy or something. I don't know, but it just smells so freaking good. And I love Olay's body washes because they're so moisturizing and they smell so freaking good. So in the comment section down below, comment what is your favorite berry. Is it strawberry, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries? Mine is definitely blueberries. I love blueberries. Now that my body is cleansed, exfoliated, and smelling good, it's time to take care of the downstairs area. So I'm using the Honeypot feminine wash in the scent Normal. I love this feminine wash, and I'm just going to use it on the downstairs area and also the back end. Now I'm going in with this body oil from Target. They compare it to the Neutrogena body oil, but I am trying something different in this shower routine. I'm applying the body oil while my skin is still wet, which I did not quite like, but this is a really good body oil. It's nice, lightweight, very moisturizing, and it absorbs into the skin very fast. And I'm just gonna put on my towel, and I'll see you all in the next clip. Hey y'all, so I am out of the shower, as y'all saw. So I did let my body air dry. I did not use my towel to dry off. I just air dried while I set up this area over here. So I go ahead and put on my lotion, perfume, deodorant, all that good stuff. I'm gonna just put on something real quick on my lips because I just need something on my lips. I'm just using my little Vaseline lip therapy in the scent Cocoa Butter. I know this isn't part of the scent that I'm going for in this video, but it was the closest thing that I grabbed, and yeah, I just needed something for my lips. Anyways, y'all, I'm about to put on some deodorant. I'm using my Arm & Hammer deodorant in the scent Juniper Berry. And this scent right here is definitely my favorite scent. But yeah, this is my favorite scent to wear. Y'all probably could hear me rubbing on my deodorant on the mic. Sorry, y'all. But yeah, this is my favorite scent to wear, like I already said. And it just smells really, really good. It's so beautiful. Very like, let me see. You can definitely smell like berries in this. So it smells really, really good. But it also has like a berry / light cologne scent. So yeah, but it still smells really, really good. So yeah, I am still pregnant. And I just want to get these videos recorded for you guys so I can at least have something to post while I'm recovering from delivery, because my baby, he could come any day now, like literally any day. I'm definitely like on my last stretch. So I have like a week left. I think today is the 17th. If I'm correct, if I'm not right, I'll just put the correct date on the screen. But yeah, I'll be 39 weeks this Thursday, which will be the 20th of May. So yeah, like I said, he could come any day now. And I'm really, really excited about his arrival. I think my oldest is more excited than I am. He is like very territorial over my belly. Like, he won't let nobody touch my belly. He be like, that's my baby. I'm like, okay, baby. But yeah, I'm using the EOS body lotion in the scent pomegranate and raspberry. Absolutely love this lotion. It smells really, really good. This lotion is very lightweight, fast absorbing, very, very moisturizing, and it smells really, really good. So yeah, that's the icing on the cake. Like, it smells really, really good. I'm just applying this lotion everywhere on my body. So do any of you have kids that's watching this video? Like, do ya? Let me know inside the comment section down below. And by the time y'all see this video, I will already have my newborn by then. So yeah, y'all, this freaking scarf keep leaning over on my head because I didn't do the bun properly. Y'all gonna see my hair pretty soon after I you know, finish putting on my lotion and stuff. And I did record it, so if you have not seen that video, which will be my passion twist video, definitely go ahead and check it out. It was my first time doing like individual like twists, like doing it myself without going to like a braider to do it for me. And I actually did a pretty good job, like, if I do say so myself. I'm using this Gucci Flora perfume. It smells so beautiful. It has notes of red berries, pears, and white gardenia. So this is a perfect spring scent, and it's so beautiful. It smells really, really good. Oh, I just got this perfume and I'm glad I got it because smells so beautiful. So I'm gonna let that dry. I'm gonna put on some clothes, let my hair down, and I'll be back to close off this video. All right, y'all, so I just got on my Black Girl Magic t-shirt. Like I said, this is my hair. I did it myself. I am like 5'5", and this hair goes all the way to my butt. So if you do want to see the video on how I got this look, definitely check out the video that I'll be linking right here, or maybe it's here. I think it's here. We'll see when I edit this video. But anyways, go ahead, spray that on the wrist. Oh, this smells so good. It smells so beautiful. Your girl ain't going nowhere, but you know I still like to smell good in the house. How could I forget to spray some perfume on my clothes? Like, girl, what is going on? Ciao. Ooh, that smells so good. Y'all, I ain't going nowhere. Like I said, I'm finna stay in the house. I might record some more videos. I don't know. I just really don't know. Tell me you be on TikTok without telling me you be on TikTok. I'll go first. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed my berry scented shower routine. I hope you guys saw some gems in today's video that you might want to pick up and try yourself. If you did, don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up, like smash the like button right now. Also, comment down below if you saw anything in today's video that you're thinking about trying, or a different scent that you guys want to see me do. Let me know inside the comment section down below. And if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.